Hello and welcome to SIS online classes. Myself Gangwar, and today I am going to be discuss subject computer science of class 9th basically. Today we will discuss the types of the computer on the basis of the principle of operation. The principle of the operations, there are three types of the computer over there. First one is analog computer, second one is digital computer, and third one is the hybrid computer. Analog computer is based on the analog signals basically, and the digital computer, it is based on 0 or 1, the byte basically. If the statement or the input is correct, then it will perform the 1, and if there is no correction, means is wrong the statement, then is give the instruction about the zeros. Now let me discuss about the hybrid computer. Hybrid computer is nothing but it is the combination of both analog computer and digital computer. Now the next one is the types of the computer on the basis of the configuration, based on the configuration. On the basis of the configuration, there are 4 types of the computers. Microcomputer, mini computers, mainframe computer, and the supercomputer. Now let me discuss first what do you mean by the microcomputer. Actually, microcomputer are known as the personal computers, like laptop, desktop, whatever is there, and these types of the computer use the microprocessor, and they are less in cost and very small in size. As far as like I have given the example, laptop computers, notebook computers, tablet PC, handheld computers, and embedded system. Embedded system, there is the digital watch basically. This is the example of the embedded computer. Now the next part is mini computer, and let me discuss about the mini computer. These computers are bigger in the size and have the processing speed are costlier than the microcomputer. The capabilities of the mini computers are better than the personal computers, and the mini computers are used in education, businesses, and many other the government organizations. Now let me discuss the next topic is the mainframe computer. Actually, mainframe computer is longer than the mini computer. So the mainframe computer processes the data very high speed, the millions of the instructions per second. These are very expensive computers. The mainframe computers are also designed for the multiple users. Now the last one is the supercomputer. Supercomputer, just beg your pardon please, and the mainframe computers are also used as a server basically right now. Some companies have the server of the mainframe computers, but the supercomputer is the very powerful computer right now, because the longest computers on the supercomputer, these are most powerful, most expensive, and the fastest computers in this world. These computers are capable for processing trillions of instructions per second. These computers are used by government agencies such as Internal Revenue Services. Now the next topic is the overview of the communication technologies. As you know, nowadays there are different kinds of computer communication technologies is going on, but the few technologies which is going to be discussed between you, because first one is email. What do you mean by email? Actually, email is nothing but it is an electronic mail. We can say it is a kind of the post basically, but we are doing the post with the help of the computer and through the internet. That's why we can use the email is an electronic mail. Next one is text messaging. There in right now in the market, in this world, the text messaging means there are different kind of the messengers is going on, like BlackBerry BBM, BlackBerry messengers, and Facebook messengers also, and the WhatsApp is also the messenger. Now this is whatever we are texting in this particular messenger, this is called text messaging. Text messaging is very efficient, just like as the instant messaging. Do you know what do you mean by instant messaging? Instant messaging is nothing but it is a kind of the messaging, but we get the response within a microseconds. What do you mean by the chat? Chat means in this particular a kind of the messaging also. Chatting is nothing but is a kind of the messaging. Video conferencing. Video conferencing is nothing but it is a kind of the chatting with the help of audio and video both. This is called video conferencing. And whenever suppose there is an organization with the owner of the organization non-living, he is living in out of country, then he wants to organize a meeting with the help of the computers. Then video conferencing is a very powerful features for this one. Video conferencing you can do with the help of the laptops and the Android phones and other the cell phones also. Now the next part is blogs. Actually blogs is nothing but it is a kind of the articles which is displaying on the web pages, a kind of the web pages this also. News groups also a kind of the advertisement media basically. Now it was something about this particular lecture. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.